In the Philippines, fuel costs account for over 40% of total long-distance operating costs. Facing temperatures above 35 degrees Celsius, urban congestion, and mountainous roads, every drop of fuel matters critically. To put the C12 Pro's fuel efficiency to the test, Yutong launched a fuel-saving challenge in Manila. We filled up the tank, hit the road for 524 kilometers, then filled it up again to see exactly how much fuel we used, all under real traffic and road conditions.
Hello everyone, I'm May in Manila, Philippines, and we are about to kick off the first C Pro Global Fuel Efficiency Challenge. The challenger is Yutong C12 Pro. We've chosen the classic Manila to Baguio tourist route. We encountered congestion shortly after departure.
Yutong has established the comprehensive road spectrum database in the bus industry. The front end of product development collects customer operating conditions for full configuration planning based on the platform's database. This ensures optimal powertrain matching, lower fuel consumption, and approximately 2% fuel savings.
Next is the highway section. We'll maintain 80 kilometers per hour for 190 kilometers.
We definitely consider fuel efficiency. This is mostly on an operator's perspective, no? Fuel efficiency is rather one of the biggest expenses ng isang bus company. So of course, which is why we were able to come up with the decision of acquiring Yutong buses in volume, no?
Next is the toughest challenge, a 43-kilometer continuous mountain climb.
Yutong selects new generation diesel engine maximum torque of 1,900 Nm, reducing engine fuel consumption by greater than or equal 3% under comprehensive working conditions.
After 5 hours of travel, we have arrived in Baguio, traveling 245 kilometers. Now we are to go back to Manila and check the final assessment on fuel efficiency. After 12 hours, we're back in Manila. And after the results have been evaluated, the overall fuel consumption is 3.65 kilometers per liter.
A 12% fuel saving rate means higher operational efficiency and lower costs. Yutong's next-gen integrated fuel-saving solutions deliver new value to customers, empowering the Philippines transport industry.